Safety demonstration carefully, even if you are a frequent flyer, as each aeroplane has its differences. If you are listening to a personal device, please remove your headphones now, and if you are reading, please pause for a few minutes to give the crew your full attention. And for everyone's safety, you are required to follow all crew members' instructions and to comply with all safety information placards and illuminated signs. Whenever the seatbelt signs are illuminated, your seatbelt must be securely fastened. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted and opened like this. This plane is equipped with 8 emergency exits. The red emergency exit signs are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Your nearest exit, which may be behind you, is being pointed out now by the cabin crew. Low-level lights will illuminate the aisle and guide you to the nearest emergency exit, and in case of an evacuation, you must leave all baggage on board. In the unlikely event of loss of cabin pressure, oxygen mask will drop from the panel above your seat. Quickly pull the mask downwards and remove any face covering. Place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth with the strap around your head. Adjust the strap to secure it and breathe normally, and make sure your own oxygen mask is fitted correctly before helping others. There is a life vest underneath your seat. Remove your life vest when instructed by the cabin crew. Place it over your head, pass the strap around your waist and fasten the buckle. Pull the adjustment strap to tighten the life vest firmly against your body, and it is important that you do not inflate the life vest inside the airplane, as this will hinder your exit. When leaving the airplane, pull down the red toggle to inflate the life vest, and it may also be inflated or topped up by blowing into the tube.
Not for the whole flight. No. I want to take off in London. But actually, we're not meant to have them on. I mean, he's not said anything. We're in a race. Seen a video the other day of the 787 racing the Gatorade truck in Edinburgh. just speed up the video.
I just literally there is the 70s. Don't want to go into 77 right now, eh?
Then take it off. Dad. 77 are the safest aircraft in the world.
Try screen your face, I can't hear you.
Going fast. Going fast.
You need this video go on. You need this video go on for 6 minutes. Why is people gonna watch all of this?
Speeding up. Speed over here.
What's in the things in the news? He's doing a rolling one timer. What do you call that?
What?
What do you call that?
Just a roll and take off. Is that a funny feeling in your belly? Yeah?
No,
Georgie, is this the big Clooney road?
Not my belly. Not my belly that funny.
It's the initial as soon as you get up.
Hold on. Yeah? Did you know? Oh. I nearly forgot. I was gonna go.
I didn't have it on either.
It won't affect anything. Oh, we're gonna land in a second.
Mum,
We're gonna land in about 20 seconds.
I know what I want it to be.
We're landing. We're landing. Listen.
Yay, to Turkey.
Let's see how smooth it's gonna be.
Oh,
Right,
Turkey.
hold on. There's another two plane. Touchdown. Not yet.
It's a bit slamming.
And
Touchdown.
Turkey.
There we go.
I got it.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys, girls, everyone aboard, welcome to